Good morning, students. Here, this is Neelam Jain from S.Sc Public School. Students, today I am going to teach you chapter number 8, that is the tropical and the subtropical region. So today you are going to learn about the life in the Amazon Basin. So before starting that, let's know where is this Amazon Basin. Okay. So students, this Amazon Basin is a tropical region, lies very close to the equator. This is the equator. This is the world map. You know, this is the world map here, and this is the equator, which divides the Earth into two poles, North Pole and South Pole. So this is the location of equator here. So this is equator and equator. This is complete an equator which divides the Earth into two poles, South Pole and North Pole. Okay? And this Amazon Basin is also called tropical region, and it lies very close to the equator. So this is North America, this is South America. So which one? Amazon Basin lies in the south, here South America, and very close to the equator, between 10 degree north and 10 degree south. 10 degree north and 10 degree south. So this is the location, this is the region Amazon Basin here. Amazon Basin. Okay, and here it is referred as Equatorial Region because it is very close to the equator. So this region, Amazon Basin, is also called an Equatorial Region. And Equatorial Region, the river Amazon flows through this region. You will notice how it flows from the mountains to the west and reaches the Atlantic Ocean to the east. And in your book also, students, this is the green part. This is Amazon Basin. I think clear to you. This green, this part, this is what? Amazon Basin region. Here, Amazon Basin region. So the river Amazon flows through this region. It flows from the mountains to the west and reaches the Atlantic Ocean. So where is Atlantic Ocean? This is an Atlantic Ocean here. This is Pacific Ocean here. And this is Atlantic Ocean. The place where a river flows into another body of water, that is called the river's mouth. River's mouth. Numerous tributaries join the Amazon River to form the Amazon Basin. The river basin drains portions of Brazil, parts of Peru. So this is Brazil, Peru. Here, this is Brazil, Peru, Bolivia. This is Bolivia. This Bolivia and Ecuador. Ecuador is this is here, this side here. This is Ecuador. Colombia above this Ecuador. Colombia here. You can also locate on world map these countries of the Amazon Basin: Colombia, and a small part of Venezuela. Venezuela above Colombia here. Venezuela, the small part of Venezuela. So these parts are drained by river Amazon. So you have to name the countries of the basin through which the equator passes. So this equator passes through which countries? Yes, this is an equator which divides the complete earth into two poles, North Pole and South Pole. So you have to name the countries of the basin through which the equator passes. So equator passes from the countries Colombia, here Colombia, it's above equator here, Colombia, then Brazil, Brazil is here, this is Brazil, then Ecuador is below here, equator, then Peru here. So countries of the basin through which equator passes are here Colombia, Ecuador, Brazil and Peru. So you will also locate these countries of the basin on world map, and you know now this Amazon basin is located in South America, and this is also called an equatorial region. Okay, so try to locate on world map. So till now what you have learned, students? This is chapter number 8, human environment interactions, the tropical and the subtropical region. So life, today you are learning about the life in the Amazon basin. This tropical region lies very close to the equator, between 10° north to 10° south. Then you will learn about its climate. Climate of this Amazon basin is hot and wet climate. Throughout the year, days and nights are equally hot and humid. Then about rainforest, here thick forests are found. And about flora means vegetation. And fauna means about animal life. So flora, shade tolerant vegetation is there. Then orchids, bromeliads grow as plant parasites. Bromeliads, this is the quality of the special plants. These plants, bromeliads, they store water in their leaves, and that water is used by the frogs. This water is used by the frogs for laying their eggs. So we can say shade tolerant vegetation is found here, and variety, what is the variety here of these trees? Varieties: orchids, bromeliads grow as plant of parasites. Bromeliads are special plants which store water in their leaves, and frogs use these pockets of water for laying their eggs. Then about fauna, toucans, hummingbird. Hummingbird is also called bird of paradise, is found in Amazon basin. And about the people of rainforest and life in Ganga and Brahmaputra region, you will learn about in the next video. So today you can open your books also, students. So life in Amazon basin. Students, in chapter number 8, 9 and 10, you will learn about the life of the people in different regions, in natural regions of the world. So you have noticed that this tropical region, Amazon basin, lies very close to the equator, between 10° north and 10° south. So it is referred to as the equatorial region. The river Amazon flows through this region. Notice how it flows from the mountains to the west and reaches the Atlantic Ocean to the east. The place where a river flows into another body of water is called the river's mouth. It is called river's mouth. And numerous tributaries join the Amazon River to form the Amazon Basin. The river basin drains portions of Brazil, parts of Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia, and small part of Venezuela. Now, you have named the country of the basin through which the equator passes. Students, you will fill these countries, the name of the countries of the basin through which the equator passes. I have told you which countries were that, which countries are that. So, the countries are Colombia, Brazil, Peru, and Ecuador. Okay. So, you will fill these countries in the world map. Students, so you know कि when Spanish explorers discovered the Amazon River, they were attacked by a group of local tribes wearing headgears and grass skirts. These people reminded them of the fire stripes of women warriors known in the ancient Roman Empire as the Amazons. Hence, the name Amazon was given to Amazon Basin. And about tributaries, these are the small rivers that join the main river are called tributaries. The main river along with all its tributaries that drain an area forms a river basin or the catchment area. The Amazon Basin is the largest river basin in the world. Okay. This is one of the GK question for you. Then about climate, as you know, this Amazon Basin here stretches directly on the equator and is characterized by hot and wet climate throughout the year. Both days and nights are almost equally hot and humid. The skin feels sticky. It rains almost every day. That too without much warning. The day temperatures are high with very high humidity. At night, the temperature goes down, but the humidity remains high. About rainforests, as it rains heavily in this region, thick forests grow. The forests are in fact so thick that the dense roof created by leaves and branches don't allow the sunlight to reach the ground. The ground remains dark and damp. Only shade-tolerant vegetations may grow here. Orchids, bromeliads grow as plant parasites. The rainforest is rich in fauna, birds such as stocking, hummingbirds, bird of paradise with their brilliantly colored plumage. Oversized bills for eating make them different from birds we commonly see in India. These birds also make loud sounds in the forest. Animals like monkeys, sloth, and ant-eating tapirs are found here. Monkeys, sloth, here, monkeys, sloth, and ant-eater tapirs and tapirs, then ant-eating tapirs are also found here. These are also found here. Then various species of reptiles and snakes also thrive in these jungles. Crocodiles, snakes, pythons abound. Anaconda and boa constrictor are some of the species. Besides, the basin is home to thousands of species of insects, several species of fish. Here several species of fishes, including the flesh-eating piranha fish, is also found in the river. This basin is thus extraordinarily rich in the variety of life found here. So about here fauna, many animals are also found here: anaconda, crocodiles, snakes, anaconda, crocodiles, snakes, and many variety of fishes. Many varieties of fishes are also found here. And student, this is the picture of toucans here found in the Amazon basin, and this is a picture of which animal? Tapir. Okay, this is tapir and this is toucans. And your homework is some of the TV channels broadcast documentaries on the wildlife of the world, and try to watch some of the films and share your experience with your with your friends when the school will reopen. Okay, I will ask from you some of the documentaries on the wildlife of the world. Okay, so this is homework. You will watch some of the TV channels broadcast documentaries on the wildlife of the world, and about people of the rainforest and life in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin we will learn in the next video. And you will also your homework is also to locate this Amazon basin on world map as it is in the South America, and the countries, about the countries. Here you will locate South America. On the political map of the South America, you will draw equator. You will also draw, mark the countries through which the equator passes. So I have told you that the equator here passes from the following countries: Colombia, Brazil, Ecuador and Peru. Okay, so this is the here map of South America, and this is the equator. Above equator is Colombia, here Ecuador, Brazil, and this is Peru here. Try to locate. Okay students, till then stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself, take proper care. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.